Hey Don, how familiar are you with the Dodge Durango 2022? It comes in 5 trim levels, which is an SXT, a GT, Citadel, RT, and an SRT. It gets 19 miles per gallon in the city, and then 26 on the highway, and 21 combined. This car got an overall 4-star safety rating. Comes with a 3-year bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 5-year drivetrain warranty. One feature I like about this car is that it has a sunroof. Not many SUVs have a sunroof, but this one does. And it can go all the way back. Look at that. Beautiful, right? So come give us a call at Louisville Chrysler, and we can get you in this brand new Dodge Durango 2022.